Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete steps to fix mobile data issues on your Poco M8 Pro. Follow each steps carefully to make sure mobile internet works perfectly. If this tutorials help you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for more useful guides. Now let's begin.